Let's talk about the ED 2030 campaign, which seeks to extend President Emerson Mnangagwa's term to 2030. Intrigued? Let's get into it. Just a few days ago, Patrick Chinamasa, a prominent figure in the ZANU-PF party and its secretary for legal affairs, made headlines. He wasn't just attending a routine political meeting. No, he was actively chanting a powerful slogan in Manicaland, a slogan that's shaping Zimbabwe's political landscape. Mnangagwa will still be ruling in 2030, he declared, making his stance crystal clear. Now, why is this significant? Well, according to Zimbabwe's constitution, a president can't lead beyond 2 terms. So this move by Chinamasa and others in the party has sparked a lot of debates, and even some controversy. Supporters of Mnangagwa are pushing this narrative hard, coining phrases like Vamnangagwa Vanenge Vachipo Kusvika 2030, which means Mnangagwa will be with us till 2030. But that's not all. Over the last weekend, something else caught the public's eye. An event that was supposed to be a national prayer gathering in Chitongwiza turned into a full-blown campaign rally supporting Mnangagwa's presidency. This blurring of lines between a religious gathering and political campaign tactics has raised quite a few eyebrows. So what does this all mean for Zimbabwe? It's a clear signal that the political atmosphere is heating up. Supporters of Mnangagwa are gearing up, getting their slogans ready, and making their loyalty known. On the other hand, this has also sparked a debate about constitutional rights and the future direction of Zimbabwe's leadership. As we watch this unfold, it's crucial to stay informed about these developments. After all, they don't just affect the politicians, they impact the lives of every citizen in Zimbabwe. So what do you think about the ED 2030 campaign? Is it a step forward or a step back for democracy? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep this conversation going. Remember, understanding these dynamics is key to being an informed citizen, not just in Zimbabwe, but anywhere in the world. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into global politics and much more. See you next time.